Deadfast mouse and rat killer blocks offer the most innovative active ingredient on the market for effective rodent control. They are also ridge-cut to encourage gnawing, have a high moisture resistance, and work in all types of weather. To improve success, remove all food sources available for rodents, and do not clean the area, as this can disturb their environment. Make sure to place the blocks in a bait station to protect children, pets, and other animals. Include up to 10 blocks per box for rats and up to 2 blocks for mice. Place the bait station where you have seen rodent activity, such as along walls, by nesting sites, in dark and cluttered corners, or by holes or gnawed areas. Make sure to secure and lock the bait station after placing, and allow a few days for the rodents to get used to the bait. We recommend checking the bait stations after 5 to 7 days for rats and 2 to 3 days for mice. After catching, double bag the rodent and dispose in your household bin or contact a waste specialist.